Welcome to Smart Earnings. In this episode, we will be discussing financial results of Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy Limited for the second quarter financial year 2025. Company overview. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy Limited is a prominent player in the renewable energy sector, specializing in engineering, procurement and construction (EPC) services for solar power projects. The company has been actively expanding its portfolio, particularly in battery energy storage systems and floating solar projects, positioning itself to capitalize on the growing demand for renewable energy solutions in India and globally. Financial performance highlights. Sales. The company reported consolidated revenues of Indian rupees 1030.5 crores for Q2 FY25, reflecting a robust 35.7% year-on-year growth and a 12.6% increase quarter-on-quarter. Operating expenses. Operating expenses were Indian rupees 1012.3 crores, leading to an operating profit of Indian rupees 18.1 crores, representing a 5% OPM. Net profit. The company achieved a net profit of Indian rupees 8.6 crores, marking a significant improvement compared to previous quarters. Order book. The unexecuted order book reached a record high of Indian rupees 10,549 crores, with approximately 78% of this order book consisting of domestic projects, underscoring the company's strong market focus. Operational highlights. The company secured new orders worth Indian rupees 2,044 crores in Q2, bringing the total new order inflow for the fiscal year to Indian rupees 4,214 crores, with a full-year target of Indian rupees 8,000 crores. Notable projects include a 500 megawatts battery energy storage system in Rajasthan, recognized as India's largest and one of the few gigawatt-hour scale projects globally, and a 20 megawatts floating solar project. The management anticipates a strong execution ramp-up in the second half of the fiscal year, supported by a recent Indian rupees 500 crores loan from IREDA and a credit rating upgrade to investment grade. Industry and market outlook. The Indian renewable energy market is poised for substantial growth, with over 23 gigawatts of projects expected to be awarded in the next 6 to 12 months. The company is strategically shifting towards turnkey projects, particularly in the public sector, while maintaining a focus on profitable orders. The management emphasized the importance of the domestic market, which constitutes 78% of the unexecuted order book, indicating a solid foundation for future growth. Key challenges and strategies. The competitive landscape is intensifying with new entrants, but the company is selectively bidding on projects that align with its risk metrics and margin expectations. The management addressed concerns regarding the execution of the Nigeria project, affirming that it is on track despite some bureaucratic delays. Guidance and future expectations. The company reiterated its revenue guidance of Indian rupees 8,000 crores for FY 2025, with expectations of achieving this through a strong execution pace in the second half. Gross margins are expected to stabilize between 10% to 11%, with O&M margins around 25%. The management is optimistic about maintaining a growth trajectory of 15% to 20% CAGR for FY 2026, supported by a robust order book and execution capabilities. Additional insights. The management highlighted that the addressable market for the first half of the fiscal year was approximately Indian rupees 16,000 to Indian rupees 17,000 crores, with a success rate of about 46%. The recent credit rating upgrade is expected to ease liquidity challenges and facilitate faster execution through improved access to non-fund-based limits. The company is actively working on employee retention strategies amid industry challenges, including establishing multiple execution teams and retention plans like ESOPs. The exit of the CFO was acknowledged, with plans for succession being actively pursued to ensure leadership stability. The management discussed ongoing international projects in Spain and South Africa, which are crucial for assessing the company's international growth strategy. Conclusion. Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy Limited is well positioned for a strong second half of FY 2025, with a solid order book, strategic project wins, and a favorable industry outlook. The management's focus on profitability, operational efficiency, and market expansion will be critical in navigating the evolving renewable energy landscape. Thank you for watching Smart Earnings. If you found this analysis helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into earnings calls and financial results. See you in the next episode.